Good morning. Myself is Dr. Mrs. Manju Sahai, working as contractual faculty in the Department of Botany, Mahila College, Chaiwasa. Today I deliver my lecture on the topic chromosomal aberration. It is prescribed in semester 6 Botany honors courses. In this, the chapter is chromosomal aberration, means we know chromosomes first. Chromosomes are the physical basis of life. It contains two chromatids and along with their joint at a common point that is known as centromere. Along with entire length of chromatid, it bears beaded-like structure that is chromomeres. And chromomeres contains genes. Genes contains nucleic acid contains DNA, RNA, and in this way chromosome forms the hereditary characters. As we know, chromosome two types, autosomes and sex chromosomes. Sex chromosome always in pair, XY for male, XX for female. And the autosomes, AA, just double in diploid cells, just in the process of meiosis, it gets halved, meiosis 1, and then again equation division, sequential division is, the 4 is formed. Means autosomes and chromosomes, sex chromosomes. Now, if the number of these chromosomes enhanced, this condition is known as ploidy. Means अगर haploid है तो diploid, tetraploid, hexaploid, means number is increased in sex chromosomes as well as autosomes. Sometimes sex chromosomes में ही सिर्फ अंतर, that is one chromosome less monosomic, one chromosome, two chromosome less becomes nullisomic. If one is added to n plus 1, that is trisomic, and the 2 is added, then it is tetrasomic. This is the number of chromosomes. Now in this chapter, chromosomal aberration, not the number, rather the configuration of chromosome taken in account. It contains genes, there is alteration of genes, and there is deficiency, means its number is taken in account. If genes are shortened, deficient, it comes under this. If genes are duplicated, it also comes under this. If it translocated in between the non-homologous chromosomes, it is also come under this. The genes rotate by 180 degree, the inversion is taken. So in this chapter, we take the general gene का अंतर, जीन का हट जाना, जीन का डुप्लीकेट हो जाना, जीन का एक दूसरे में ट्रांसफर हो जाना, रेसिप्रोकल, जीन का इन्वर्ट कर जाना अपने पोजीशन में, तो ये सारे हम क्रोमोसोमल एबरेशन में देखते हैं. इन दिस वे द टाइप इज डिलीशन, द अनदर इज डुप्लीकेशन, अनदर इज ट्रांसलोकेशन, yet another is inversion. Before going to lead the mechanism, know the mechanism of how deletion takes place, how duplication takes place, we have to know the clear-cut idea of meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, prophase is somewhat too much elongated phases. It is divided into 5 subphases: leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene, and dikinesis. In leptotene, chromosome appears as a thread-like structures, and in diploid cells it is thread-like structure leptotene, and it has 22 pairs autosome के और sex pair 1 X and Y. In the next stage, zygotene, pairing of homologous chromosomes that are not only in the length of the chromatid is similar, but also the chromomeres number, the distance between the two chromomeres, they unite. That condition is known as synapsis, या zygotene, या bivalent. And now in pachytene, each monovalent is completed in its structures, means एक क्रोमोसोम को 2 chromatids होता है, तो ये tetrad हो जाता है in pachytene. In pachytene stages, there is certain the sister chromatids. It has one. It has also sister, but in between the non-sister chromatid, there is certain exchange of identical segments by forming chiasma. Chiasma is a point in packetine tetrad condition, and the packetine and chiasma linked to crossing over, and it is the packetine stage is completed, and then diplotin stage starts, and this is the chiasma ka movement towards terminal position, and the two exchanged crossover unit is now chromatids, means दोनों chromatids को एक अपना होगा homolog linked, एक दूसरा crossed over, यहाँ भी अपना एक crossed over is identical exchange by chiasma in packetine diplotin terminalization dikinesis pendylis formation by disappearing nuclear membrane nucleolus happens. Now in deletion, one chromosome has pairing of homologous chromosomes, means certain genes are located, centromere is located, and these genes on chromomeres, genes of the same pair, but suppose a centromere A, B, C, D, E, F, it has also A, B, C, D, E, F, but means terminal D, E, F is not missing, deletion. So pairing only half A, B, C, D, and either A, B, C, D, E, F is not present, and it is just liberated in the nucleus as a ये जानते हैं कि ये without nuclear centromere it can't exist, so it is deleted, and for it is harmful for the organism. Now if the genes is duplicated, means A, B, C, D, E, F है, A, B, C दो बार, तो B, C, and the length of the number is increases, where deletion length is decreased by deficiency, number is decreased. Here number is increased, duplication, and in this case duplication अगर होता है तो वो लूप ऐसा बना करके फिर ये पेयरिंग हो जाता है, और ये लूप फिर ये निकल जाता है, और वो मतलब डिलीटेड हो, मतलब वो साइटोप्लाज्म विदाउट सेंट्रोमियर इट कांट एग्जिस्ट इन इट्स कैरेक्टर्स में कोई भी. नाउ इन ट्रांसलोकेशन इन बिटवीन two homologous chromosomes comes under, and it has A, B, C, D, E, F. Here also I, J, two non-homologous I, J, K, L, M, reciprocal exchange, no change in the number of genes, only the means exchange in between the non-homologous pair, means A, B, C, D, E, F है, इधर भी I, J, K, L, M, और C और D के बीच में इधर L और M के L और J के बीच में, तो ये एक्सचेंज हुआ, इसका इसके साथ दैट इज द ट्रांसलोकेशन. इन इन्वर्सन दिस इज जस्ट द सर्टेन जीन्स इन्वर्टेड बाय 180 डिग्री एंगल. सपोज A, B, C, D, E है, तो B से ही E inverted like in this way कि E becomes B, D becomes C in this way, just only part, and the rest is remaining the same. FG A, B, C, D, E, F, the normal, but here A, E, D, C, B, then FG. This one is the deletion. On how this pairing takes place in case of duplication pairing by a loop, in deletion terminal होगा तो वो हट जाएगा, और अगर वो बीच में इंटरकैलरी है then again you form the loop and then pair like this. In this my PDF, it is very clear and clear cut understand by studying my PDF thoroughly and carefully. You can everything you just in inversion there is inversion may takes place in case of centromere is also involved or centromere is not involved. If centromere is involved, the condition is paracentric. If centromere is not involved, it is called pericentric. And the packetine is a subchromosome to जो है दो chromatids come in tetrads. Packetine stages में इस तरह से बने हुए रहेंगे. इस तरह से बनाने का तरीका just ऐसे करके 4 हिंदी वाले 4 लिखेंगे। उसके बाद उस दोनों को अपना अपना टेट्राएड्स मंत्र अपना जो 2 बाइवेलेंट है दोनों को एक ही कलर से करते हुए निकल जाएंगे। फिर दूसरा जो है वो इस तरह से होगा और इस तरह से हम उसको और एक चियाज़मा फॉर्मेशन इन बिटवीन डी एंड ई देंगे। उसको नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स ही पेयर करेंगे और एक जो है लिंक्ड ऊपर वाले आ जाएंगे, नीचे वाले लिंक्ड वो एज यूजुअल रहेंगे, लेकिन बीच में एक न्यूक्लियर ब्रिज टाइप का एक क्रोमोसोम में 2 सेंट्रोमियर हो जाएगा, किसी में एक भी नहीं होगा। एसेंट्रिक कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट। 2 centromere may cause certain abnormalities, and this way inversion means these are the 4 different types of aberration taking in chromosome. This is the chromosomal basis of aberration. It is a kind of mutation. इसमें mutation में only genes is somewhat deleted or duplicated or translocated or inverted like in this way, but the number of genes in translocation as well as inversion is not lost. Here in the deletion there is the loss of the genes, and in duplication is also loss by हटा देना है उसको। डुप्लीकेट जीन्स जो हैं वो लूप से निकल जाएंगे, बाकी वो पेयर हो जाएंगे। लेकिन वो एडिशनल मतलब कि जीन्स का एडिशन होगा, जीन्स का डिलीशन माने खत्म होगा। डिलीशन इज अनदर टर्म दैट डेफिशिएंसी। इट इज अकर इन इफ यू इसलिए जो 2 क्रोमेटिड्स हैं, एक तो नॉर्मल रहेंगे, दूसरा डिलीटेड रहेंगे, एक डुप्लीकेटेड रहेंगे, एक इन्वर्टेड रहेंगे, तो कैसे पेयरिंग होगा? दिस इज लाइक इन दिस वे। ट्रांसलोकेटेड में पेयरिंग के लिए इस तरह से बनाने का ये इन दिस वे। इन दिस वे इन सर्कुलर वे में ये इन inversion in which centromere is not involved. It is a like bridge-like structures found in diplostein stages. डिप्लोटीन में ही चियाज़मा का मूवमेंट हो जाता है और जो क्रॉस्ड ओवर यूनिट इज कम्स अंडर दिस अंडर द पिक्चर वी कैन सी वी कैन इन द न्यूक्लियस वगैरह देखते हैं अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप। These are all about. Thank you.